a gorse garden. I feel like I've videoed heaps of this lately, but it is a fun piece of water. We've now got a line through it. This is where we turned around this day. Bit mellow, easy, and it quickly steepens. Then it tricks you. It's nice. Then the boulders come out. Those jumps, the level of excitement was pretty unreal. It was that there was rocks poking out, and I timed it perfectly. Get out of the tight stuff, and it's just hammer down, roost up, let's go. Sammy's boat's pretty quick. I've probably got a very similar top speed, but sometimes you can get away from me, sometimes I can get him back. That's pretty cool. Other times you just want him to have a wee bit of gap because you know that there's a tight bit coming up. There's Wayno's boat had some issues, but apparently they didn't get very far. I think they bottomed out on some shallow bits. Some other boats came up as we were launching. They didn't get very far before they got stuck either. I don't think they liked the fact that we roosted them, but